You're a little baby. Come on, nobody hits a king like that. You kidding me? You big baby? You're a big baby, I say.
Why do you always call me Grasshopper?
Good cut. Grasshopper.
Are you feeling lucky?
Yeah, I am.
Are you?
I'm gonna take care of business right now. You don't got the moves, do you?
Baby, I'm not a baby.
You're a big baby, baby. Working my mojo on you. Yeah.
Check out where all your money's been going, Mom.
What kind of lessons are those? I think you hit my sequence. What's up?